Om. The Light of Truth, Part 14, Chapter 8, The Creation, Sustenance and Dissolution of the Universe, Section B. Each of the six Shastras talks of different subjects. The Mimamsa says, nothing in this world can be produced without proper application. The Vaisheshika says, nothing can be done or made without the expenditure of time. The Nyaya says, nothing can be produced without the material cause. The Yoga says, nothing can be made without the requisite skill, knowledge and thought. The Sankhya says, nothing can be made without the definite combination of atoms. The Vedanta says, nothing can be made without a maker. Question: what was first created, man or earth, etc.? Answer: the earth, etc., because without them, where could man live and how could he maintain his life? Question: was one man created in the beginning of creation or more than one? Answer: more than one. Many men and women as well as rishis, that is learned seers, were created. Question: in the beginning of creation, were men created as children, adults or old people or all in all conditions? Answer: they were adults, because had God created them as children, they would have required adults to bring them up, and had created them as old men, they would have not been able to propagate the race. Therefore, he created them as adults. Question: does creation ever had a beginning? Answer: no. Just as the night follows the day and the day follows the night precedes the day and day precedes the night, so does creation follow dissolution and dissolution follows creation. Question: does not the belief of souls in lower beings impute partiality? God put some souls in human bodies, while others he clothed with bodies of ferocious animals such as tigers, others with these of cattle such as cows, others with those of birds and insects. Does this belief not impute partiality to God? No, it does not impute any partiality, because he put souls into the bodies they deserved according to deeds done in the previous lives. Had he done so without any consideration as to the nature of their deeds, he would have been unjust indeed. Question: where was the man first created? Answer: in Trivishta. Now it is called Tibet. Question: were all men of one class or divided into different classes at the time of creation? Answer: they all belonged to one class, that of man, but later on they were divided into two main classes, the good and the wicked. The good were called Aryas and the wicked Dasyus. Says the Rig Veda, do you know there are two classes of men, Aryas and Dasyus? The good and the learned were also called Devas, while the ignorant and wicked, such as dacoits, were called Asura. Question: how did they happen to come here, that is to India, then? Answer: when the relations between the Aryas and Dasyus or between Devas and Asuras developed into a constant state of warfare and serious troubles arose, the Aryas, regarding this country as the best in the whole earth, immigrated here and colonized it. For this reason, it is called Aryavarta, the abode of the Aryas. Question: what was the name of this country before that and who were its original inhabitants? Answer. It had no name, nor was it inhabited by any other people before the Aryas. Question. How much time elapsed since the creation of the world? Answer. 1,960,000,000 and some 100,000 years have passed since the creation of the world and the revelation of the Vedas. For detailed exposition of this subject, the readers should consult our book called An Introduction to the Exposition of the Vedas. Question. What supports this her earth? Answer. It is God who creates and sustains luminous bodies such as sun, as well as the non-luminous such as the earth. Yajurved. Question. Does the earth and other planets revolve or are they stationary? Answer. They revolve. Some people say that it is the sun that moves, not the earth, while others say just the reverse. Now, who are right? They are both half wrong because it is written in the Veda. This earth with all its waters revolves around the sun. Yajurved. In each solar system there is one sun that gives light to all the planets such as the earth. Question. Are the same Vedas revealed in the other worlds as in this? Answer. Yes. Just as the policy of a king is the same in all the countries under his rule, so is the Vedic system of government of the god in other worlds also. Continue.